We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary as well in English that many get confused by, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. But let's break down the pronunciation of this word. The spelling is confusing, but it's actually easy. Realm. Realm. An example of sentence: his realm of interest is literature and politics. Realm is how you say it, and now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more. Remember, the pronunciation of this word is realm. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.